Good morning all of you. Myself Sandeep Parashar and I am welcoming you online classes computer class 10th class. 10th class we are reading unit first digital documentation advanced. In this we are reading chapter number 2 session number 2 adding graphics in a document. All of you are familiar with these things. We are doing this from the 6th 7th class. We can add any graphics in our document. Graphics in clip art mode, in image mode, in shapes mode and other drawing objects. It will give a special appearance to our text document and sometimes it will provide support for description. So in this chapter we will read how to insert images. Inserting images. In MS Word, we have so many various ways to insert images. First, insert an image from a file. Insert an image from clip art. Insert a scanned image. Insert an image using drag and drop method. Insert an image from the clipboard. All of you are familiar with these things. First, insert an image from a file. If we want to insert an image from our file in computer, so what we do? First of all, click on insert tab. After that, we will click on picture. In this insert picture dialog box will appear. We can find out our photo. In this, we can find out our photo and last and final, click on insert. All of you familiar with these things. It is in GIF format, JPG, PNG and BMP format. Insert image from clip art. We are doing these things from the childhood. If we want to insert any photo from clip art is a collection of picture or images that are available in MS Office. How to insert? First of all, click on insert tab. In illustration group, we have clip art. In this clip art gallery, we will find out our required themes, required clip art. We can write anything and click on go. It will provide us and after that we can click on insert. Insert image from a scanner. If a scanner is connected to a computer, Word allows us to insert the scanned item into the document as an image. This task is performed by the clip organizer. If our scanner is attached with our computer, if we keep it, then we can scan. How to scan? First of all, start Microsoft Office. In this, we need to start clip organizer. Favorites, Microsoft clip organizer. After that, click on the file tab. Add clips to the organizer. We can find out our photo from the scanner. After that, insert. And it is normally whenever we attach our scanner, it will ask in file mode you want from the scanner, so we can do it. And after that, insert an image using drag and drop method. It is very easy. If you want to insert your image from anywhere, what we do, we just open our application window. After that, we can drag our photo from anywhere and we can drop here. Open a Word document and move the cursor to the location where we want. Now locate the image on our computer using the File Explorer window. Select the image and drag it on our document. Insert an image from the clipboard. Clipboard means we can do it in cut, copy, paste method. Whenever you cut and copy, our photo is stored on clipboard. Open the document in which the image already exists. Click on the image and press Ctrl+C to copy. It will copied. The image gets copied. Now open the other document and place the cursor where we want to keep it. Press Ctrl+V. The copied image is pasted in the document. I already told you it is known as just like as copy paste. Next, modifying image. Modifying image means sometimes we want to modify our photo. We want to make it larger, smaller, rotate, crop, delete, it will come in the modifying an image. It is completed by the format tab. We just click on the format tab. After that it will provide some facilities. First, resize an image. To resize an image, we can see that this photo. In this we have drag side handler. Whenever you click on this and move it with the help of mouse, if you want to make it increase, you can make it. Rotating an image. If you want to rotate your photo, we have an option on the top. We just click on it. After that our photo will be rotated. Cropping an image. Cropping means all of you are familiar with these things. If we want to remove unwanted area from our photo, we can use it crop. So what we do, first of all select our image. After that click on crop button. After that we can make it size according to our wish and we will apply. Deleting an image. It is very easy. If you want to delete any image, what we do, first of all select an image and after that press the delete key. You can select and you can click right and after that you can delete. More modification an image. If we want to do it more modification in our image, it is provided by the format picture dialog box. What we do, we can do it using pictures color tab. In this what we will do, we can make it our pictures color very bright. We can change the colors. Using the option given under this tab, we can adjust the color of the picture by adjusting the various settings such as color saturation percentage. Yeah, we can do it. Using artistic effect tab. In this we can make it some things from our side to our photo. We can make it through the markers, sketches. We can easily apply some professional looking effects such as marker, pencil, grayscale, pencil sketch, etc. to the picture by using the option given under the artistic effect tab. Note that we can apply only one effect to the picture at a time. Similarly, we can explore more options to a format picture using various other tabs. Thank you. Stay at home, stay safe. We will read in next video.